Wagwan, welcome back to my channel 876 Recipes TV. So in this video I'm going to tell you how it is very important for everyone to drink at least a glass of beetroot juice. I wouldn't say every day, but drink it very often because it is very good. It has a lot of health benefits, especially for men. Now you can drink a glass of beetroot juice like every day, because it is really good for your sexual health. Beetroot have a rich nutritional profile that provides a plethora of health benefits. Beetroot, also known as blood turnips, are an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and folate. The underrated vegetable is an acquired taste, but it is nutritional and it is a powerhouse. So I'm going to tell you how beetroot juice improves men's sexual health. Beetroot has been labeled as nature's Viagra due to its nitrate content. Similar to Viagra, beetroot intake increases blood circulation in the penis. Therefore, beetroot is good for erectile dysfunction. Beetroot contained about 0.2 gram of dietary nitrate. In the body, the nitrate is converted to a chemical called nitrite and then to nitric oxide in the blood. Now, nitric oxide is a gas that widens blood vessels and aids blood flow. Therefore, nitric oxide dilates blood vessels and boosts circulation to the penis. This leads to better erections for men during sexual intercourse and helps them last longer in bed. Thanks for watching.